Imagine selecting an option from a drop-down list. And Excel instantly makes a smart decision for you. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to combine if function with a drop-down list in Excel step by step. Let's dive in and make Excel smarter together. First, let's set up a simple dataset. Imagine we're managing employee work shifts. In column A, list your employee names. In column B, we'll create a drop-down to select their assigned shift, morning, evening, or night. To add the drop-down list, first select the cells in column B, let's say B2 to B7. Go to the Data tab. Then click Data Validation. In the Allow box, choose List. In the Source field, type morning, evening, night. And finally, click OK. You now have a clean drop-down menu in each cell of column B. Easy and user-friendly. Now let's make column C show a custom message based on the selected shift. For example, if the shift is morning, it shows start at 8 a.m. If evening, it shows start at 2 p.m. And if night, it shows start at 10 p.m. In cell C2, enter this formula. Here, this part checks if the value in B2 is morning. It returns start at 8 a.m. If false, it moves to the next condition. If the first condition wasn't met, this checks if B2 is evening. If yes, it returns start at 2 p.m. If neither morning nor evening matched, it checks if B2 is night. If yes, it returns start at 10 p.m. If none of the conditions are true, it returns nothing, just an empty cell. Press Enter and done. Just drag this formula down to apply it to the rest of the rows. Now, whenever you select a shift in column B, column C automatically displays the correct start time, no manual typing needed. So there you have it, a super simple way to use the if function with a drop-down list in Excel. It's great for automation, saving time, and reducing manual errors. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.